Hello! Okay, today we are checking out the bathroom scrub mitt, and mine has been very well loved over time. They start out very thick and fluffy, but 3 years in, my bathroom scrub mitt has been well loved and used. I have it damp, so you can see the bottom is still dry. This is the scrubby side of the mitt, and this is excellent for cleaning in the grout and for scrubbing off tougher spots in your tub. And then this side is like a soft, smooth microfiber side to gently clean inside your tubs or to clean your shower doors. It's also great if it's dry. When you're done taking a shower, you can use it to dry off the shower instead of using a squeegee, and it's super absorbent and will soak up the water. It's nice because it fits right on your hand and it fits any size hand. So let's look at the mitt by itself, and then I'm going to show you how I use it with some cleaning paste to help with the tougher areas. So I've got some soap scum and stuff here from things that have been in my shower. So I just use the mitt to scrub away everything, and I have very hard water too. So if you have hard water and over time you have marks that aren't coming off or soap scum that is not coming off, then I recommend our Descaler as a product that can help you with that. So you can see that I got most of it, but I think I'm gonna need a little bit of cleaning paste for that area right there. I want to show you without cleaning paste how well it does clean in the grout lines. So you can see that grout line right there, how dirty it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean that. And there it is, much cleaner. We'll move up. So usually I do like a whole line at once just so that it goes faster, and tiny grout lines are kind of the worst thing in the world because they're skinny to get into, but if you can get your little finger in there, then it can be successful. But look how easy that is. So it cleans super well right there in that grout line. So now if I have some places, let's show you this too, that's from cleaning the grout. If I have some tougher places that I need help with, I go to my cleaning paste. And remember, the cleaning paste starts off chalky. What makes it the paste is putting it on something damp. And then I'm going to use it back over here on this circle. And like I said, this thing has been sitting here for a while, so what I had sitting here, so if that doesn't work, I'll use my Descaler on it. So it didn't quite take that off for me, but I do want to show you the cleaning paste in the cracks and crevices as well, because it makes it easier. So let's look at a little crack and crevice here. See what we can clean out. So the scrub mitt is just really convenient, easy to use. Looks like I might have a little mold growing in this one. Just kind of nasty. All right, so you can see I definitely wear holes in my bathroom scrub mitt over time, but I love using the cleaning paste for the grout lines because it really helps to clean them up and get in there and scrub better than just the mitt all by itself. It adds a little bit of that extra scrubbing power. Here's another good one that I'm gonna use that paste in there. And you can see how nice it is when it comes right out. All this right here I would use Descaler for because it's a lot easier than scrubbing with the paste, but you can use the paste on this, and what I would do is scrub with the paste and then wipe with the back side of the microfiber, and you can see that it takes off a good amount of it, so you can use that to clean and remove limescale as well. However, the Descaler, you just spray, walk away, come back, and wipe clean, and I wipe it clean with the back side of my bathroom scrub mitt. You can also use this on your toilets and countertops and sinks, so it's great to have on your hand. And then when you're cleaning around the outside edges of the toilet, it's just really convenient to reach down under all the different spaces and clean it very easily. And it does remove 99% of bacteria off the surface just using the water. And then I just rinse it out and hang it up to dry and keep it in my shower. So that is the bathroom scrub mitt. And if you have any questions, you know that you can message me anytime. All right, thanks for watching.